the government. Mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Fellow viewers from the Republic of the Philippines. Ang ating mga kababayan who take part of this opening of bids. Contractors and supplier who participated in the opening of bids. Members of the Bids and Awards Committee, Technical Working Group, Secretariat, mayong buhay. Good morning. Today, May 20, 2026, we have an opening of bids for civil works and goods. Civil works for contract ID number 26 KG 0024 and 25. So we have two contract ID for the civil works, and for goods, we have PR number 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We have 7 goods. Ladies and gentlemen, the Department of Public Works and Highways Lanao del Norte First District Engineering Office is proud to have you on this online to witness the opening of bids as form part of the requirements of the NGPA, more particularly on the transparency. Yes, I was informed that we have 3 viewers from this undertaking. Good morning, viewers. Our other members from the Bids and Awards Committee are still with us through our Zoom. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will invoke first the presence of our Almighty God before we formally start the opening of bids. May I call Engineer Saraman to please lead the prayer. Okay, thank you, Engineer Salaman Laut, for the prayer. Secretariat, kindly read the previous. Yes. You have to acknowledge first to find out there is a quorum. Kindly include the 2 members who are joining us via Zoom.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everybody. Now, to determine the quorum, I would like to call and acknowledge the back members who are here present at the conference room. Presiding officer, which is the back chairperson, Mr. Mokamodali Pundugar, the chief of the administrative section, and also we also have the back vice chairperson, Engineer Efren Tulod, the chief of the planning and design section, and as well as a back member, Engineer Eleanor Cabaluna, chief of the quality assurance section. So, And we also have a viewers through a Zoom meeting attending also for this morning's activity. Back members, Chief of the Construction Section, Engineer Naida Sata, and as well as the another back member, the Chief of the Maintenance Section, Engineer
Present po. Present po.
Farida Omanen. So
Present.
based on the attendance that we have here in the conference room, we have 3 out of 5, and we are still in quorum, Mr. Chair. And to also acknowledge the other members who are attending here in our office premises, and as well as those who will be our prospective leaders. So I will acknowledge their presence, starting from the back, TWG Head, Engineer Sukarno Hajunor, and the rest of the members, Engineer Fairos Atabuakar, Engineer Paul Brian Openya, Engineer Rashid Mudag Jr., Engineer Christopher Galon, Engineer Juris Cuadillero, Mr. Atilano Gahi, Dr. Shirin Eve Maagad, Engineer Ivan Sinahon, and Engineer Mara Montejo. And for the back secretariat, you have yours truly, Architect Velarde, and the rest of the members. I am with Engineer Ibrahim Makadindang, Mr. Jaime Mishona, Miss Salma Amer, Miss Nora Anoos, Mr. Rani Hardinaso, Mr. Saraman Laot, and Mr. Dan Padayhag. Now, for the contractors who are present with us for for this morning's opening of bid, who will be attending for our civil works opening of bids, would like to acknowledge the presence from the Alpha Builders, Mr. Abdul Samad Amud, and from the Silver Construction, Ms. Suraida Magumnang, and for Al Norway Corporation, we have Glyzel Bunukan. And for the opening of bids for the goods, we have representatives coming from the ZDZG Office Supplies and Equipment Trading, Mr. Daryl Toledo, and then Mechatronics Trading and Services, Brenda Fabrea. From Lana Ventures Enterprises, Mr. Nafi Manan. And from Alphahad Builders and Enterprises, Abdul Samad Amud. So I would just like to iterate that we also have 3 viewers online based on our YouTube platform. So that is it for the acknowledgement of everyone attending this morning's conference, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Now, before proceeding for the opening of bids, I would like first to read the minutes of the previous meeting. So what I have is the pre-bid conference for the related project for the civil works. This is a pre-bid conference dated last May 5, 2026. And it goes for the call to order and introduction. Back chairperson Mr. Makamodali Pundugar presided and called the meeting to order for the pre-bid conference for 26 kg 0024 and 26 kg 0025 at the conference room, second floor, DPWH Lanao del Norte, First District Engineering Office Building. And the meeting was led with the prayer by Back DWG member Engineer Mala. And the back secretariat had made a roll call of all the members present during the conference. She then reported to the back chairman that the back members are in quorum, and back chairman then declared that the meeting is in session. Engineer Reyes then continued by acknowledging the presence of the back TWG and secretariat attending the meeting. She also reported that there are no viewers on the online platform and as well as inside the office premises. Back chairman is hopeful that pre-bid conference is to be fruitful event between the office and the prospective contractors. For the basic presentation of the project details were then made by Engineer Vanji Canobida of the Planning and Design section. For the contract ID 26KG0024, completion of multipurpose building, New Baroy Town Center, Poblacion, Baroy, Lanao del Norte, with an approved budget of the contract 24,749,779 pesos and 09 centavos. For 26KG0025, construction of multipurpose building dormitory facility for agriculture students in Tubod College in Barangay Palao, Tubod, Lanao del Norte, with an approved budget of the contract 9,899,351 pesos and 99 centavos. For the questions and comments from the bidders and responses of the BAC and other DPWH officials, BAC chairman asked the planning engineers for clarification based on the presentation of the detailed projects. That the first project is a completion of the phase 1 building, and the second project is a new construction. He then made a follow-up query about the documents needed by the procurement prior for the procurement of these projects. BAC Secretariat head replied that there had been delays, but the documents are now being completed. Engineer Sata asked the planning engineer for the status of the building permit for the first project. Architect Reliable replied that the building permit is being processed during the phase 1 of the building. For the adjournment, there had been no other remaining topics for discussion. BAC member Engineer Manan made the motion for adjournment, and the motion was seconded by BAC member Engineer Sata. BAC chairman then declared the adjournment of the conference for that previous conference. So that is it for the reading of the minutes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Architect Aisel. Any comments and recommendations? If there's none, the minutes is hereby approved. So ordered. We will proceed with the opening. Vice Chair, we will proceed with the opening. Are you ready? Sukarno? Okay, Secretariat, first envelope for the 26KG0024.
Okay, good morning. Assalamualaikum. So, sorry sa tingog, medyo lalom kayo. So we have two contract IDs for the civil works and 7 PR numbers for the goods. So to start with, okay, for 26KG0024 for the completion of multipurpose building at New Baroy Town Center, Poblacion, Baroy, Lanao del Norte. The first bidder is Sunway Construction. For the technical component, table of contents, side tabbing, and paginated. Certificate of field trips registration. Regular contractor's license. Statement of all ongoing government and private projects. Statement identifying the bidder's single largest completed contracts similar to the contract to be bid or the SLCC. Net financial capacity computation or the NFCC. Tax clearance certificate. Bid securing declaration. Signed and authorized. Project organizational chart. List and qualification of key personnel to be assigned to the contract. List of equipment owned or leased or under purchase agreements pledged to the proposed contract. Certificate of availability of construction equipment. Construction method statement. Construction schedule and score. PERT CPM diagram. Equipment utilization schedule. Contractors construction safety and health program. Omnibus short statement. Anti-trafficking and person management plan or the TAP. Compliance of project and contract management application. Affidavit of site inspection signed and authorized. Certification certified that Silver Construction is using concrete mix, asphalt mix from the DPWH accredited concrete batching plant, signed and authorized. Passed. For the financial component of Silver Construction, table of contents, side tabbing, and paginated. Bid form. Bill of quantities. Summary of bid prices. Detailed cost estimates. Summary sheet of labor rates, equipment rentals, and material prices. Cash flow by quarter and payment schedule. The bid amount, 24,738,344 pesos and 82 centavos. Again, 24,738,344 pesos and 82 centavos without discount offered. Mr. Chair, that is all for 26 KG 0024.
Yes, thank you, Engineer Sukarno. The result of the abstract bid period. We have loan bidder, Silver Construction. The subject for bid evaluation and post qualification for the eligibility check. Next IDs.
Okay, the next contract ID is 26 KG 0025 for the construction of multi-purpose building, dormitory facilities for agricultural students at Tubod College in Barangay Palao, Tubod, Lanao del Norte. The first bidder is Alpha Hut Builders and Enterprises. For the technical component, table of contents, side tabbing, and paginated. Certificate of PhilGIPS registration. Regular contractor's license. Statement of all ongoing government and private projects. Segunda sa ako, sir. NFCC, tax clearance certificate, bid securing declaration, organizational chart, list and qualification of key personnel to be assigned to the contract, list of equipment owned or leased or under purchase agreements pledged to the proposed contract, certificate of availability of construction equipment, construction method statement, PERT CPM and PERT CPM, there you go. Manpower schedule. Yes, shut down na sana. Equipment utilization schedule. Contractors construction safety and health program. Omnibus sworn statement. Anti-trafficking and person management plan. Compliance to project and contract management application, the PCMA. Affidavit of site inspection. Certification, certifying Alpha Hut builders and enterprises is using concrete mix, asphalt mix from the DPWH accredited concrete batching plant. Passed. For the financial component of Alpha Hut builders, table of contents, site tabbing and paginated, bid form, bill of quantities, summary of bid prices, detailed cost estimates, summary sheet of labor rates, equipment rentals, and material prices, cash flow by quarter and payment schedule. The bid amount, 9,888,745 pesos and 98 centavos. Again, 9,888,745 pesos and 98 centavos without discount offered. Mr. Chair, shall we proceed to the next bidder? The next bidder is Al Norway Corporation. For the technical component, table of contents, side tabbing, and paginated. Certificate of Philgips registration, regular contractor's license, list of ongoing government and private construction contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, statement of single largest completed contract, similar to the contract to be bid or the SLCC, computation of net financial contracting capacity, tax clearance certificate, bid securing declaration, project organizational chart, contractor certification of key personnel for the contract, list of, list of equipment, own or lease on or under purchase agreements, dates to the proposed contract, minimum material testing equipment, set of materials, laboratory apparatus, certification certifying that all the required construction equipment and laboratory apparatus were available and in good running condition for the whole contract duration of the project. Certification certifying that the minimum material testing laboratory apparatus as per category of contractor are available and being supported by proof of ownership, such as OR and DR. Construction methods per CPM diagram. Manpower utilization schedule. Equipment utilization schedule. Contractors construction safety and health program. Omnibus short statement. Anti-trafficking enforcement management plan. Compliance to project and construction management application or the PCMA. Affidavit of site inspection. Certification certifying that all Norway corporations using concrete asphalt mix from the DPWH accredited concrete batching plant. Not applicable. Below 30 million, 9 million. Basta. For the okay, for the financial component, then table of contents, side tabbing, and paginated. Bid form, summary of bid prices, bill of quantities, detailed cost estimates, summary sheet, cash flow by quarter, and payment schedule. The bid amount, 9,796,502 pesos and 55 centavos. Again, 9,796,502 pesos and 55 centavos without discount offered. Mr. Chair, that is all for 26 kg 0025.
Thank you, Engineer Socorno. The result of the abstract of bid is read for 26 kg 0025. We have two bidders. The results of the bid are subject for eligibility check, bid evaluation, and post qualification. Thank you. Next envelope. No more. So we are done in the opening of the civil works. So I think we will proceed to the opening of the goods. First envelope, goods.
Ilan ka? 25. 25. Okay? 25 lang. For the goods, the first bidder for PR number 26-05-025 the first bidder is Mechatronics Trading and Services. Certificate of Egypt's registration. Certificate of Business Name Registration. Business Permit. List of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. Annual income tax return. Net financial contracting capacity. Tax clearance certificate. Bid securing declaration. Statement of bidder's single largest completed contract. Technical specification. Omnibus sworn statement. Asked. For the financial component, a review or the quotation. The total amount, 684,652 pesos only. Again, 684,652 pesos only.
Okay. The result of the abstract of bid as read for PR number 26-05-025. We have loan bidders, Mechatronics Trading and Services is subject for eligibility check, bid evaluation, and post qualification. Next, PR number.
The next PR number is PR number 26-05-027 for the purchase of spare parts for the use of basic maintenance equipment. We have a loan bidder, Electronics Trading and Services. Certificate of Egypt's registration. Business permit. certificate of business name registration, list of all ongoing government and private contracts and direct contracts awarded but not yet started, annual income tax return, and FCC, certificate, tax clearance certificate, bid securing declaration, statement of bidder's single largest completed contract, technical specification, omnibus sworn statement, Vice Chair, passed. For the financial component of Micronics Trading and Services, RFQ, bid form. The bid amount, 891,979 and 69 pesos only. Again, 891,979 pesos and 69 pesos only without discount offer. Mr. Chair, that is all for PR number 26-05-027.
Thank you. The result of the abstract of bidders rate for PR number 26-05-027. We have loan bidders, Micronics Trading and Services. Subject for eligibility check, bid evaluation, and post qualification. Next PR number, please.
The next PR number is 26-05-028 for the purchase of materials for preventive maintenance of national roads, patching and asphalt thin overlay of maintenance equipments. We have a loan bidder, it's Florian Construction Supply. For the technical component,
Daddy. What's your name? Siminto?
certificate of incorporation, business permit, tax return certificate, certificate of field jobs registration, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts and direct contracts awarded but not yet started, statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract or the SLCC. Corporate information, JS, net financial contracting capacity, bid securing declaration, production and delivery schedule, technical specification, manpower requirements, omnibus sworn statement, sworn affidavit of validity and beneficial ownership. Passed.
Okay,
For the financial component,
Yes, okay. Financial, before the financial, allow me to announce first the result of the eligibility check for the infra. For contract ID number 26KG0024. Silver Construction. SLCC pass, NFCC pass. For the 26KG0025, the result of the eligibility check for Alpha Builders and Enterprises. SLCC pass, NFCC pass. Al Norway Construction, SLCC pass, NFCC pass. In short, all bidders are eligible to bid. Thank you for the time. Proceed to the financial proposal of Chlorine Construction and Supply.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The financial proposal.
Kaya pirma na lang.
Bid form. RFQ. The total bid amount,
Richard.
755,205 pesos only. Again, 755,205 pesos only without discount offered. Mr. Chair, that is all for PR number 26-06-028.
Bidders rate for PR number 26-05-028. Loan bidders, Chlorine Construction and Supply. Subject for bid eligibility, bid evaluation and post qualification. Next PR number. Proceed to the next PR number.
Done. Next.
Engineer Pamarintan, okay. Kailan? Saraman Laut.
Okay, the next PR number is 26-05-029 for the purchase of computer peripherals and ISO folders to be used in the maintenance section. We have a low bidder of ZG Office Supplies and Equipment Trading. Certificate of Philjips registration. Certificate of Business Name registration. Statement. Statement of single completed government and private contracts, which is similar to the project to be bid.
Yeah, lulumat.
Sorry. Lubat.
Dapat nag-file kag sick leave. Wellness. Kuha pa yung sickness man.
NFCC. Sickness. Tax clearance certificate. Bid securing declaration. Signed and notarized. Statement of single State of single completed government and private contracts, which is similar in nature. Omnibus short statement. Vice Chair. Passed. For the financial component of ZG, office supplies. Bill of quantities, bid form. The bid amount, 193,554 pesos only. Again, 193,554 pesos only without discount offered. Mr. Chair, that is all for PR number 26-05-029.
Okay, the result of the abstract of bid as read for PR number 26-05-029. We have loan bearer ZDGG Supplies and Equipment Trading. A subject for eligibility check, bid evaluation, and post qualification. Next PR number. Proceed to the next PR number.
Okay, the next PR number is PR number 26-05-030 for the purchase of ink for the use in the printing of documents in the maintenance section. DPWH Lanao del Norte First Engineering District. Certificate of Philgips registration. Certificate of business name registration. Business permit. NFCC. Tax clearance certificate. Bid securing declaration. Statement of all government and private contracts completed which are similar to the contract to be bid. Technical specification. Production and delivery schedule. Omnibus sworn statement. Vice Chair. Passed. For the financial component of Lanao Ventures Enterprises. Bill of quantities, bid form. The bid amount, 196,035 pesos and 15 centavos only. Again, 196,035 pesos and 15 centavos only without discount offered. Mr. Chair, that is all for PR number 26-05-030.
The result of the abstract of bid as read for PR number 26-05-030. We have loan bidder Lanao Venture Enterprises. Subject for eligibility check, bid evaluation, and post qualification. Thank you. Next, PR numbers.
The next PR number is PR number 26-05-031 for the purchase of office supplies for the use in the maintenance section. The DPWH Lanao del Norte First Engineering District. The first unknown bidder is ZG Office Supplies and Equipment Trading. Certificate of Philgips registration. Business name registration. mayor's permit and business license. List of all ongoing government and private contracts. NFCC. Certificate of tax clearance certificate. Excuse me. Bid securing declaration. Is LCC. Omnibus sworn statement. Vice Chair. Passed. For the financial component of DZG, bid form, bill of quantities, or the PR RFQ quotation. The bid amount, 134,844 pesos and 50 centavos. Again, 134,844 pesos and 50 centavos only, without discount offered. Mr. Chair, that's all for PR number 26-05-031.
The result of the abstract will be restrained for PR number 26-05-031. We have Laundry GGG Supply Equipment Trading. A subject for bid evaluation, eligibility check, and post qualification. Next PR ID. PR number, please.
2.3%.
Next PR number.
Okay, the next PR number is PR number 26-05-032 for the purchase of equipment for use in the preventive maintenance of national roads and bridges under Lanao del Norte First Engineering District. Siya rin nagka-interest, sir? O, dua? Dua na? Dua? Okay, certificate of LGIPS registration. Certificate of business name registration, business permit. Net financial contracting capacity or the NFCC. Deal. Deal. Lanao Ventures.
Yan, bakit siya ni CGG? Ay,
Dan.
Dan.
Ay, makita na ako sa Pikas. Tax clearance certificate. Bid securing declaration signed and notarized. Statement of all government and private contracts completed which are similar to the contract to be bid. Technical specification. Production and delivery schedule. Manpower schedule utilization. Affidavit of omnibus sworn statement. Passed. Last na lang. Okay, for the financial component of Lanao Ventures Enterprises. Bid form. Bill of quantities. The bid amount, 943,470 pieces only. Again, 943,470 pesos only without discount offered.
Hala.
So sa ABC, sa yang kwan
EBC. More than the EBC.
okay. Okay, the next bidder. The next bidder is Alpha Hut Builders and Enterprises for the technical component. Certificate of Egypt's registration. Certificate of business name registration. Business permit. NFCC. Tax clearance certificate. Bid securing declaration. Statement of all government and private contracts completed, which are similar to the contract to be bid. Technical specification. Production and delivery schedule. Manpower schedule. Omnibus sworn statement. Passed. For the financial component of Al Fahad Builders and Enterprises. Bid form, bill of quantities. The bid amount, 948,228 pesos and 50 centavos. Again, 948,228 pesos and 50 centavos without discount offered. Mr. Chair, that is all for PR number 26-05-032.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Sukarno. The result of the abstract of bid for PR number 26-05-32. We have two bidders are subject for eligibility check, bid evaluation, and post-qualification. Next, PR number? No more.
No more.
So the opening of bids for the goods are done. What is the pleasure of the body?
Mr. Chair, if there's no further clarification, comment, and announcement, I move to adjourn our opening of bids, Mr. Chair.
Okay, there is
Hindi
movement.
may seconded.
No other queries? No other questions? If there's none, the opening of bids is hereby adjourned. So ordered.